it's Sam. So today I have partnered up with Veet to share my summer kind of like body skincare routine. I get so many questions on what tanner I use and what oils I use, because you guys know I talk about oils a lot. So today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I do to get my skin summer ready for the beach and just to look nice and glowy and smooth and hair free. So this is the Veet Gel Cream, and this is the hair remover for legs and body, and it's the sensitive hair removal cream. This one is the Aloe and Violet Blossom Fresh Smell. So it smells so nice. It's like really subtle. It's not overwhelming, which I love. What I like is that you do have this little stopper right here so that you can just pull it out like this and it doesn't get clogged up, which is awesome. So I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I like to use this. And then they also have wax strips. These are the Legs and Body 3-in-1 ready to use wax strip kit hair remover. It's infused with shea butter. It's a sensitive formula, and basically it's just a box of 40 wax strips. And when you open it up, and these are for legs and body as well, you have all of these pre-waxed little strips. So it's super nice, convenient, very easy. It's not messy. Then you do get perfect finish wipes as well. These are just like little towelettes that you can use afterwards. And you do get numerous little packets in there. So you do get a lot. 40 strips I feel like is pretty darn good. So it says it removes the hairs from the root for up to 28 days of smoothness. And the fragrance is acai berries. So I'm going to show you guys how I use both of them, as well as the other products that I use to achieve my tan and just nice, glowy, smooth, delightful summer skin. So what I love about this one is that it's very hydrating. It hydrates for up to 24 hours. So if you live in a dry climate like I do, this is definitely something you might want to try because it's going to give you a little bit more hydration than just regular shaving, and it lasts longer. These would be great to take on vacation so that you can do it right, you know, the first day that you're there, and then you're covered for the whole entire time, so you don't have to like shave or anything like that. And then of course you can always do this as well. This is just a lot lighter. If you took it out of the box, you could just bring the little wax strips and it would be a lot less, take up a lot less space in your suitcase. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys my full routine, exactly how I use these items and everything else that I use to get my skin summer ready. Huge thank you again to Veet for partnering up with me. I will leave everything linked down below that I show you guys here today, and I hope you guys all enjoy and find this helpful. I'm in my bathroom. I've got my towel on. I like to apply this at nighttime because in the morning I self-tan, so I like to have it so that my skin is like closed before I'm applying my self-tanner after this. So I would normally do this in the evening. Obviously I'm doing it right now because I'm showing you, but evening time, and then I'll shower in the morning, and I mean obviously I'll rinse this off, shower in the morning, and then I would go ahead and apply my tanners and all that kind of stuff. So you can apply it with a spatula. I prefer to just apply it with my fingers. So I'm just going to go ahead and pump it, and you want to apply it as if you were applying like lotion, but you don't want to rub it in all the way, if you know what I mean. So you're just going to apply like a good layer all over, so anywhere where there is hair, and it smells so yum. It's like a really nice kind of soothing scent. Oh my god, I just love the scent. It's so delicious. So I'm just going to apply that all over. I'm getting a pedicure on Thursday. I'm so excited. If I wasn't filming, I would not have a towel on with this, but we don't want to be inappropriate now, do we? So I'm just applying a good layer all over. I'm just going to do up to there for this video. You can apply this to your underarms. You can put it on your bikini area. If you pull this back, it shows you the instructions completely. It does say that you can apply this to your legs, arms, underarms, and bikini line. You are not supposed to apply it on your head. That would be awful. Your face, your eyes, nose, ears. And the spatula does come with two different sizes of the sides. So if you are going to be using it on your bikini line, obviously you would use the skinnier side, which I'll be showing you guys both sides. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and apply all of this. And you want to make sure that when you are finished rubbing all of it in, that you are definitely going to wash your hands. Don't just wipe it off, actually wash it off of your hands. I'm going to use my timer, and I'm going to set it for 5 minutes, and you always want to put this plug back in so that that doesn't dry up and then make it so that the product doesn't come out. And I'm going to wash my hands I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes. We're gonna check in 5 minutes and see if the hair is easily coming up. If it's not easily coming up, then you can leave it a little bit longer, but do not exceed 10 minutes, okay? 10 minutes is your max, but check after 5. I think it probably just depends on like how much hair, like how thick your hair is. Okay, my 5-minute timer went off. So see how there's like the smaller side right here, and then there's a larger side? I'm just gonna go ahead and, well, actually I cannot see that far, hold on. I gotta get it real close because I can't see that far. I'm gonna see if the hair is coming off easily. No. So it's not coming off easily for me. So I'm gonna wait another 5 minutes. So I'm gonna set my timer for 5 more minutes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use, I like to use the bigger side to scrape all of the product off. And you're basically just gonna do it in like as if you were shaving your legs, but you're gonna be scraping off all the lotion and then the hair will just come up with the lotion. While we're waiting for my legs to finish, I might as well just show you how you can use the wax strips. So you're just gonna pull it apart very carefully. The wax is already on the strip. So I like to do it nice and slow, and I'm just gonna show you on my arms. Ta-da! I've got hairy arms at the moment. So I'm just gonna pop it on like this. And then in the direction that your hair grows. So for me, I don't know, arm hair is kind of tough. Mine kind of grows all over the place. But you're just gonna kind of rub it on there really, really well so that you're getting it on there super nicely. You're basically, you would want to hold your skin taut, but since I'm doing my arm, it's quite hard to do that. So I'm just gonna stretch out really, really hard. And then you're basically just gonna pull it against the way that the hair grows. So, oh my gosh, so smooth. And then I like to just kind of go back over. If there's any like little bits of wax that are left, then I like to just go back over it. And you're just gonna fold it so that you don't get wax everywhere. And that, oh my gosh. Oh, can you guys see the difference? I'm really hoping that you're gonna, look how hairy it is here and look how smooth it is there. It did such a good job. Winning! So you have 40 in there, so you have quite a lot. And I like it when my arms are fuzz free because I don't do it all the time, but it makes your tanner look really nice. It makes it go on way better. Okay, oh God. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it is so smooth. So I'm gonna continue doing the rest of my, oh, my timer went, hold on. Okay, so my timer has gone off. So basically now it should come off super easily. Yep, I can see all the hair. So I'm just gonna pull all of that lotion up as if I was shaving, and it's just gonna take all of the hair that was there off. And I like to keep like a flannel so that I can just get all the extra product off, because otherwise it does start to get a little bit like gathered up. The nice thing about this is that you never have to worry about cutting your knees and your ankles, which is something I always do when I shave. I always nick my ankle. It's so annoying. And then I like to just rinse it off with warm water, and I really like to like make sure I'm getting it off really well. Okay, and then once you are completely rinsed off, I just like to pat it dry. And again, you can use this on your arms if you don't want to do the wax. The wax is like, it hurts for a minute, you know, not even a minute. It's like 10 seconds of pain, but then it's really smooth. So I'm gonna finish my arms and then I'll show you what to do after you're done with the wax. So once you're done waxing, you're gonna take one of these little towelettes that come inside of the actual box of wax strips. And you're just gonna open it up. It kind of has like a little bit of a oily residue. And then you're just gonna wipe off. And these smell nice as well, actually. That's gonna remove any extra residue that you might have from the wax. Okay, so that does leave you kind of like glowy. It has a little bit of a sheen to it, the little oil. Okay, so here's the before. This is the arm that I did not do. So that's the hair. And this is the arm that I just did, so you can see how smooth it is. It's so awesome. And then you can see how smooth my legs are. So it took away all of the hair. They're nice and smooth and fuzz free. and they did not, I mean, I would say it takes a tiny little bit of your tan off, but definitely not nearly as much as the waxing. But that's why I like to do it at night. So the next step I do is body oil. I like this one. This one is the Canna Bliss body oil. It's a little thick for the day, so I like to use this at nighttime, and I don't, I usually shower every morning, so I just pile this on. It doesn't have to be like freshly showered. And it's got like a really, oh, I don't know what the scent is. It's lovely. It's so, it's quite strong. It's quite herbally. Kind of has a little bit of like a menthol scent. So I definitely do recommend wearing pajamas if you do want to oil it up and you don't want to ruin your sheets. It's not that it stains. It just kind of gives it that like oil, like it has a little bit of an oil mark on it. And I literally just put this over my entire body. So legs, bum, arms, the whole shebang. And I feel like it makes my tan last way longer. I get my arms as well. My skin is just so dry. And so if I don't slather up with like moisturizers and oils, I find that my tan won't last as long and my skin just doesn't look very pretty. I also like the Clarins tonic oil. That one's really nice. That one smells delish. And I always make sure that I focus on like the underarms, your tummy, anywhere that can get like stretch marks or cellulite or just like sagginess. I really massage. Like my skincare routine for my body is like quite in depth. It takes me forever. So that's kind of my nighttime routine. And then the morning time, I will show you guys exactly what I use. I alternate every other day. So one day I do a self tan, one day I do just a regular oil. And I have a different one that I like to use in the morning. This arm is hairy and this arm is smooth. I should have done both of the arms, gosh darn it. So this is what I have been recently using. It's the Honey Rich Body Wash from Skin Food. So this is the Tan Luxe, the Gradual, and this is called the Illuminating Gradual Tan Lotion. So I will apply this every single day, and basically you just rub it on as if it were just a lotion. What I like about it is that it has like a milky texture. So it goes into the skin really, really easily. It's not sticky. It doesn't smell bad. It smells like strawberry yogurt. And it gives your skin like a really gorgeous glow. And in the sun, you actually have little sparkles, which is super duper nice. Make sure you wash your hands really well afterwards, like in between your fingers and stuff, because obviously it's a gradual self tan, so it will stain. And then on the days that I do not do the Tan Luxe, I do this. So tomorrow morning, I'll put this all over my body when I get out of the shower. And I will use that oil that I already showed you for my nighttime routine every single night. This is the, what is it called? Dove Advanced Care Caring Coconut. So that's that. And I put this all over like my bikini area. This is perfectly fine. Same with the Tan Luxe. You can put it on your bikini area. I have had no problems whatsoever. Okay guys, so there is my skincare kind of body routine for morning and nighttime. I hope you guys found that helpful. Huge thank you again to Veet for partnering up with me for this video. I will leave a link to the products in the description box, everything that I showed here, but you can find Veet on Amazon and then it just ships directly to your home. Super easy, fast shipping, and you can be smooth and fuzz free. Comment down below your favorites for getting your body summer ready, and I'll see you guys in my next video.